in this video, we are going to look at how you can make around 1000 USD per month reselling hosting. So as a hosting reseller, there are two things you need to consider before you get started on this journey. So let's get into what is reseller hosting. Reseller hosting, this is whereby you buy hosting wholesale and you sell it as your own, rebranded, which we call white labeling. Client will pay you for hosting, and you have to keep the profit, all profit to you. So you pay the hosting companies or the wholesale companies that offer the service of reseller hosting. You pay them, you rebrand your hosting service as your company, which is white labeling. Then you're able to charge your clients whichever amount you want, and you'll be able to keep the profit. So now let's get into the best recommendations for reseller hosting providers. We have Namecheap here. When you go to Namecheap hosting, then you go to reseller hosting. So you'll be able to see their plans for that. The starting one is just approximately $20, and you have 25 cPanel accounts. So this means you can sell this to 25 clients, and each one they have their own cPanels that they can use to manage their sites. So when you go deeper into the technical comparison, this is what you'll get for the $20 and other packages, Galaxy Expert and Universe Pro. So key things to note is the storage, and make sure that service provider has uptime of 99.9%. You need to make sure you get WHM, which is Web Hosting Manager, for your hosting package. Another key thing to consider is you need also to check whether you have access to WHMCS for bidding your clients. All right. So you see here, if you to get a dedicated IP, you add $4 per month. You'll have your name servers in your name, so your clients can actually point their cPanels or their domains to your name servers in your names. So this is a lucrative business, and it gives you passive income recurringly, and you're able to make money on autopilot. So what do you need to do? So you buy the packages and set them up, but let's first look at other sellers. We have Hostigator, and you'll be able to go through their packages and compare which one best fits your needs. This used to be A2 Hosting. It is now hosting.com. They also have their reseller packages starting with approximately 23 per month. So this is what you will get. Like I said, it is important to make sure you have this service, and this is the bidding service as well. So you have unlimited websites, the memory, you have free SSL certificates. Yeah, so you need to compare and you see which one best fits your requirements as a business person. Otherwise, I'll be leaving a checklist in the description to guide you, and whoever, in case you ever need help setting up your hosting business, feel free to reach out. We shall be able to help you set it up at a decent fee. So let's now go through simple steps how you can set up your business, reseller business. You need to sign up, and you for a reseller plan, whichever you choose. We've just seen the different service providers. Then you need to set up your WHMCS, that is the billing automation. This will help you bill your clients on autopilot, whereby if someone is hosting package has expired, you don't need to be there physically to monitor anything. Then thirdly, the third step in your setup, you need to white label the hosting, that is custom branding. So you come up with an idea of your the business name, the brand, the logos, and you customize your hosting to make it custom. Thirdly, create hosting. That is step number 4, create hosting packages. So when you create hosting packages, you can choose bronze, silver, gold, or whichever names you would wish to give them, and you price them decently. So please bear in mind there is some stiff competition we might face. So price your products reasonably to make them accessible or affordable to your target client. I repeat the word target client because it's your role to identify who is the ideal client for your business. Are you targeting agents, owners? Are you targeting individuals that are developing websites for their businesses? So you need to be clear, and this will guide you a lot throughout the journey. Now, the pricing strategy. Let us go to the pricing strategy. Um, when we check these hosting providers, for example, when you go to Namecheap, for $20, you get 25 accounts. So let's do the simple math. If you sell your hosting, let's say the starting one to be 15 per month, $15 per month. When you do 15 times the 25 accounts, so you'll be able to get how much you can make from this particular package. But also you can say you're selling 20 also. You maintain the price you bought, So if you say $20 to get your monthly income, it is 20 times the 25 accounts. So where is the catch? The catch is in you have to make sure you promote your business and make sure you utilize all the accounts you have. Yes. So don't just set up an account and sit and relax. You need to promote your business and get clients to pay for hosting. The trick is as you promote, personally, what I do is I promote website design services for my agency. That's what I do. I design websites for them. So if you see my panel, I have quite a number of clients here. So what I do, I promote website designs and I host them on my servers as a reseller. So that's how I am able to get recurring income monthly from my clients. You can adapt the same strategy, and I can assure you it is a good one and it is lucrative. You'll be able to get a decent profit from this business. Still about pricing, you need to do upselling. Like I've said, strategy number 1, do website setups. If a client has a website they need to host, you can charge them for website setup. Those are upsells you can do. You can charge them for SSL certificates. You can charge them for SEO and other add-ons. So things like the domain, you can also do the same. You sell them domains to host their websites, so on. So those are other services you can get extra money from. As we wrap up pricing strategies, we have said you need to upsell the website design services if you can afford. You need to upsell website setup, SSL certificates, and SEO add-ons. Then the pricing should be reasonable according to your target market and competition. As you move forward, we are going now to let's now see how you to get clients. So having set up your business and everything is set, you need to look into how to get clients. The best place is you need to do LinkedIn outreach. You visit LinkedIn and you contact people. You join Facebook groups for web designers and graphics designers, and you pitch. So you need to do massive reach out. On top of that, you can do email marketing, and the other strategies you can use Google Maps. Yeah, you can get website designers. Let's say restaurants near me. So when I go to Google Maps, I can see restaurants that may have websites or not. Then I reach out to them. So remember, one of the upsells we agreed is offering website design services. So when these clients buy, I sign them up as my clients still for hosting, and they get their own credentials, cPanel, and everything independent from others. So that is how you can get clients. And lastly, the most important one, friends and family. So make sure you reach out to your friends that have businesses, design websites for them, and you'll be able to sell the hosting packages. So once that is done, the you explore the paid options. Now that you've got momentum from your business, you can now explore paid options. You can do Facebook ads and Google search ads for hosting, such that people can just when you run the ads, people go to your website, check out, you make money. Your website, we advise your website should have a live chat. You hire a freelancer uh, from Fiverr to sort you out on answering all clients' queries. Yeah, so that is very important because you realize you will not be able to attend to all their concerns 24/7. But when you hire a virtual assistant, it helps you a lot. So set up the live chat. It is free. You can use talk.com. Let me show you the live chat tool you can use on your website. It is talk.io. Again, feel free if you need any assistance, reach out to me for a free consultation call, a 30 minutes consultation call. I'll leave the description and the link to my website to book, and I'll be able to answer most of your questions. However, if you need help to set it up, a done for you assistance, we shall be able to charge you a decent, friendly charge to set up your. So this is the service you can use to handle live chats. Live chats, what I mean is something like this: if someone asks a question, this AI tool will redirect or will direct them to your virtual assistant to handle their questions. So with that, your business is well set up, and you can handle customer queries on the go. So let's now look into a full understanding of how much you can make. For example, if you have 10 clients, each one paying $30 per month, so that is 300 per month. Another case study, if you have 50 clients, each one paying 50 per month, that is $2,500 per month. So you can get an idea of the potential of this business and how it can help you scale further. So that being said, don't forget to subscribe, and I will leave the links in the description for you to check out all these softwares and providers I've mentioned. And don't forget to download the checklist that will help you get started with your business. It's a free checklist, feel free. And in case you need anything answered, feel free to comment. I'll be reaching out and reply your concerns. I wish you all the best. See you at the top. Assalamu alaikum.